Hi, my name is Drew Berry, and I am a biomedical animator at the Walter and Eliza Hall Institute of Medical Research in Melbourne, Australia. On 9 November 1989, I was on summer holidays from university at home in Sydney, and I couldn't wait to get back into the ocean. When I was a teenager, I was very influenced by the documentaries of Jacques Cousteau, who was a marine scientist. He was the co-inventor of scuba tanks. And I used to watch his documentaries on television where he would swim with sharks and film them and such. And that I knew when I was a kid, that was what I was going to do. I was going to be a marine scientist studying sharks. But I ended up going to university and switching into cell biology because I was blown away by that story too. So no, I didn't end up becoming a marine scientist. I still love the ocean, but science is my passion, and the stories that science tells is where I like to spend my time. The wall my research breaks is the one of public understanding, appreciation, and comprehension of biological sciences, the discoveries that are being made, and medical research. We are in a profound and far-reaching revolution right now that is impacting us in so many different ways and will continue to do so into the future for how we cure and treat diseases and what we understand about what it is to be a living being. There is a huge demand, a need for the public to comprehend what these discoveries are about and to appreciate the nature of the technologies that are coming from medical research that are being used to cure and treat diseases. My work transforms this complicated scientific knowledge and discovery into a visual narrative through animation built upon real scientific data, so it authentically represents what it is that is being discovered and enable the public to watch it in action and intuitively understand what it is that the science is about. For the last 3 years, my team has been working on a brand new topic, which we'll be publishing with Falling Walls 2020. It's how your body extracts energy from the food you eat, from glucose molecule, and oxygen from the air you breathe to power your living cells. These molecular mechanisms are fundamental to all life on Earth, and we examine it in meticulous, accurate scientific detail, step by step. All of my work is published for free for classroom education and university lectures all around the world, but then also is very popular with science documentaries, with science festivals and art festivals around the world, as well as museum exhibition, science center exhibition, and so on. So there's a diversity, huge audiences who are looking for high quality visualizations to understand what the science is about, and creating dynamic visualizations through animation built upon real scientific data gives people that access and enables them to comprehend what it is that we're discovering about our molecular nature. We are just beginning the century of biology. The revolution in technology, we started with the information technology revolution last century, but really the 70s, 80s, and 90s was a ramp up of biological scientific discovery. And it's now a massive wave of data, and it is still exponentially growing, of new discoveries and insights into how we work at molecular scale. So I am looking at the rest of the century of being one of continuous mind-blowing discoveries, revolution in how we understand ourselves and the nature it is to be a living being, but also in how we address challenges of health, challenges of climate change through agricultural manipulation. There are going to be so many outcomes because of the biological revolution that's underway right now, and the public needs to follow, needs to understand and be sympathetic with what it is that's being discovered.